Hi, I'm Erin with Heron Company at Long & Foster, and I'm super excited to share our newest listing with you today. The attention to detail in this home and the panoramic views of the Swift Creek Reservoir will make you feel like you're on vacation every day. Come check it out with me. The first floor features a grand foyer, private half bath, formal dining room with picture molding and tray ceiling, a well-appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and breathtaking views. Casual dining area with bay window, family room with coffered ceiling, gas fireplace, and flanking built-in bookcases. A formal study with views that will make you want to be in your office. And a first floor owner suite that you will wake up feeling like you're on vacation every day. Second floor features an open loft and 2 oversized guest suites, each featuring their own private bath. The outside patio is perfect for relaxing or entertaining with friends and family. The breeze and sweeping views will be hard to find anywhere else. If you have questions about this home or would like to schedule a private showing, give our team a call today.